Hey guys, super quick tip this one around. We got these little pry bars that came in from Snapon. There's the part number. Little mini pocket screwdriver pry bars. I always thought they're kind of a gimmick and kind of useless. But hey, they actually do have a use. These stupid little trim clips. They are... Oh, don't make a liar out of me. Yeah. Come on. There you go. They are perfect for that sort of thing, especially on these ones that are kind of buried down there. And we'll go to another one. Come on. Look at that. Huh? These things actually are super handy, and these are usually just giveaways from the tool truck. When you give them all your frickin' life savings already, you might as well get something. But yeah, these trim clips in here, this one doesn't want to cooperate because it's getting a little too soft, and I'm trying to go a little too quickly. These buried ones, there we go. When you get tools like this, you know, you ain't getting those in there. And even then, even when you can get to them, whoa, something like up here, oh, I don't even, oops, sorry, not paying attention where I'm pointing you. Even something right here, you know, a lot of times, okay, that one it did pull up. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Sometimes these just get too soft. But yeah, these little pry bars, wow, wouldn't you know it? They have a use. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked it. Get yourself one of these, I guess. I think they're only a few bucks anyways. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.